As you can see, I have put on my jacket as it is too cold here in Kolkata. We just had rains for 2 days and rain that too in winter, so it's super cool now. And I just uh, took out my jacket from the Almira and I am right now with you. Hey guys, this is Arnab and you are watching Digital Arnab. In this channel, we talk about e-commerce, Facebook ads, and all the digital marketing related topics. I am Arnab. I am an e-commerce expert, digital marketing consultant, and Facebook ad expert. So, as you are aware, we are creating our first store. As a part of this tutorial, I am going to handhold you how to create your store, how to do the marketing and all. In this free video series, we are learning how to create and run our e-commerce store profitably, that too from scratch, without much investment in time or money. And we can continue this with our current job or study or whatever we are doing currently. So, what happens when the customer orders from you? You send out an email notification, that is an order confirmation. The process is automated, but the thing is, if you do it with your personal email ID, like what will happen? What the customer will feel if the order notification is from, okay, you have buy this product and this is your order number and all, and the email is going to customer from your personal email ID like arnab@gmail.com. So what will be the impression in customer? He will think, okay, there are some young chaps who are selling some stuffs. This will decrease the brand value. Not only that, the customer might be fishy, skeptical about the genuinity of your product and brand. So eventually, there is a high chance that the order will get returned by the customer. Will not get the cash on delivery money deposited to your account, and you lose out money, and that will decrease your profitability. Not only that, email marketing, when you will do email marketing, if the order the emails are going to customer from a personal email like arnab@gmail.com, then most likely they will not respond to the emails, and again the brand value or the trustability will go down. So how to mitigate that issue, that too for free? Another thing, that when you send out emails from your personal email ID, if something gets wrong, if you violate some policies and all, the email providers will ban your account, and maybe or may not be, there is a chance that you can lose your personal email ID as well. So why not using a professional business email ID? And that does not cost you money, you can do it for free. So how to do that? In this video, we will discuss in detail about that. Before we actually create our store, we need 2-3 things in place ready beforehand, right? First one is the business email, second one is shipping partner, the third one is payment gateway, and the fourth one is domain, right? So why we need a business email? You can start with your Gmail or Yahoo or something like that, but they will not be professional. Like if a customer orders from you and he gets notified about the order information from a Gmail or some your name @gmail.com, right? That is something that does not look professional. Why we need a business email? Because it looks professional and it creates trust. If a customer buys from you and he gets notified from your Gmail account, he might think it's a scam. Lots of people thinks that, and it will decrease your brand value. Customer may not trust you, and if they don't trust you, definitely they will not buy from you. So we have some options for having a business email, and I recommend always have the business email first, then you proceed to have the other steps like having registered for shipping partner, payment gateway, and domain with your business email only, because it synchronizes all the process. Like if you uh, have your business email, that your business at the rate, uh, not actually like that, support at the rate yourbusiness.com, or hello at the rate yourbusiness.com, or info at the rate yourbusinessname.com, and register with that email with your shipping partner, that is ShipRocket. It will be very easy for ShipRocket and for Shopify. You register with that email with Shopify as well. So Shopify, from Shopify dashboard, orders will be auto fetched by your shipping partner, that is ShipRocket, and then it will be matter of a few clicks to process the order, right? So always have the business email first, then register for your shipping partner, that is ShipRocket, and with that same email register for Shopify. We have few options to have a business email, but what I prefer and I have been using for a very long time in my business is Zoho. Why? The first reason is this is free. This is a Indian company, and they offer for, you can check plans here, and they offer a forever free account, right? And this, they offer 5 GB of user space, that is up to for 5 users, and that is pretty much, I mean, that's enough to start your business and have a professional business email, rather than having your personal email like your name at the gmail.com. And not only that, their IP score is really very great, and because of that their email deliverability is really awesome, and their email always land, I mean, that obviously depends on the content you write in your email, and their email always mostly land in the primary inbox of your customer, right? Apart from Zoho, we have Google Workspace or G Suite. They you can check their plans as well. Apart from that, we have your domain providers email. Like you might have seen ads of GoDaddy and Namecheap. They offer professional email as well, but I recommend using Zoho. And just wanted to aware you that if you use GoDaddy or Namecheap email, what I have noticed, most of their emails land in spam box. So I always use Zoho, and as I mentioned, their deliverability is really great. I hope you have liked this video. Let me know in the comments which email provider you are using to register your business email. If you have liked this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification on so that you can get notified when I publish my next videos. I have created a free guide which you can download for free. The links are in the description. It tells you with some minor tweaks how you can improve your conversion rate in your e-commerce store and get much more revenue from the same ad budget. So until next time, okay, tata, bye bye.